Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this tablet. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Then select one of your chats and click on this little icon with a photo and a paperclip. Over here, you can pick one of those apps, select different sources by tapping on three lines at the top left corner, or click on those two filters, audio and videos. When you find your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner in order to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!